Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So we got some Dodge EV production, possibly. And to be honest, the production version looks very similar when you look at the aesthetics of of the of the EV, but you can see also some changes comparing to the prototype. So we're going to do a compare and contrast from the, you know, production version to the prototype. And to me, it looks like it doesn't look like it's gonna be a four-seater. It looks like a five-seater. Maybe it's the angle when I'm looking at it, because I haven't really like gone through the article itself and check out the pictures. So this is gonna be my first time looking at it with you guys, because I just saw the article. I'm like, this looks interesting. Maybe you guys might be into it. If not, hey, you guys always let me know, which I really appreciate it. I appreciate the constructive criticism. Yeah, so let's go do that. There's no doubt in my mind, man. That prototype looked hot as fuck. I'm not gonna lie, man. That thing looks sexy. Even with those rims just yes, please, thank you. So let's see what we have here comparing to the production version. Supposedly this is the production version of the Dodge EV next generation. Hang on. What the hell, man? I want to scroll. It will not let me scroll? What? This should be tripping sometimes, man. So changes. Obviously the mirrors. We weren't gonna get that sexy as fucking mirrors. These tires too. This rims and tires combo. I think that shit looks fucking demonic as hell. You know what I mean? That shit is fucking sexy. I'm not gonna lie, man. I love it. Let's see. And then oh yeah, I remember the rear. That shit looks fucking badass. Now let's see. Production version looks kind of sad. it looks kind of sad a little bit. They got this, but even the back for the prototype looks hella of aggressive. You know, it just looks mean. Comparing to this one, just looks womp womp womp. I think without the wing is the way to go. They should have definitely did it without the wing. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look all that good comparing to what we were shown, what we got excited for, what we were hyped for. And then we got this shit. Maybe I'm being negative Nilly here, but I don't think this isn't it, Chief. This ain't it, Dodge. Time to go back to the drawing board. Let's try again, Dodge. You guys let me know, man. Or maybe I'm just being a hater. I don't know. Because people in their Instagram pages, 319,000 likes. You know, it's a lot of likes. But let's see, what do the comments say? Current Challenger is infinitely better looking than this is bland ass two-door sedan looking thing. No one is buying this. Who are they kidding? I like it, but I think it's missing something. Agreed, it looks rental already. I'll wait for the high performance iteration before I write it off. I certainly don't hate it, but it's so odd. The rear is really throwing me off. There's two different car designs here. Top half looks like a Dodge Charger. The bottom half looks like something like a 911. Ice baby, please. Looks very underwhelming and generic. Very curious if the issues been hearing about the inline 6 Hurricane turbo engine are going to be vetted by the time it goes into the Charger. Local dealerships here are been having issues with the engine in the Grand Wagoneer. Could they be anecdotal evidence. I needed a profile view, but the preposition looked a bit off. Hood seems stubby, tail too long. Have to see the real deal. Yeah, see, so okay, it's just not me being negative Nilly here. It just it doesn't look anything that's special comparing to what we were shown to. Like when I went to the LA Auto Show and I saw it, I was like, God damn, this thing looks fucking badass as fuck. Like even with the whole fake sounds that they had it going on. I think I have it in a YouTube short. I'll probably attach the YouTube short to this video if you guys want to go check that out. So you can see what I'm talking about comparing to what we see here. And I completely agree. This just looks like a bland sedan or a bland two-door coupe. There's nothing too exciting about this. If this is indeed what they're saying it is, I don't know. I don't know if this is it. Who knows, man? Maybe. But who knows, man? But anyways, so this is probably different. They'll probably have like different iterations. Maybe they'll put an inline six in one of the other ones and then an EV one. But the design, yeah, I said what I said about the design. Comparing to like, anyways, you guys let me know what your thoughts are about this beautiful 2025 Dodge Charger, new production form. As always, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate y'all.